Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Camry engine air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving you time and money. You will need just a few basic items: a new engine air filter, which you can find at any auto parts store, and possibly a Phillips head screwdriver for some models. Let's get started by preparing your vehicle for the process. Now let's find that air filter. Once your hood is open, look for a large, black plastic box, usually connected to a wide intake hose near the engine. This is your air filter housing. Most Camry models have 2 to 4 metal clips around the perimeter that you simply unlatch. Some might have a few small screws. Once released, gently lift the top half of the airbox to expose the filter inside. With the airbox open, you will see the old, often dirty engine air filter. Simply lift it straight out. Take a moment to inspect the housing for any leaves, dust, or debris, and clean it out using a rag or a small vacuum. Now, carefully place your brand new filter into the housing. Make sure it sits flat and evenly, with its rubber seal snugly in the groove around the perimeter. This ensures proper filtration. Finally, it's time to reassemble. Carefully lower the airbox lid back into place, ensuring the tabs align. Secure all the clips or screws you loosened earlier. Double-check that any disconnected hoses or vacuum lines are reattached. Replacing your engine air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles helps your Camry breathe easier, leading to improved engine performance, better fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.